Here's how I created this intense smoky look on Laura. I'm going to start with my color fluids in Carve and Thorn, mixing them together for a custom shade, and applying that as a bronzer contour with a dense but fluffy brush, really buffed in. Then I'm taking a concealer to brighten up the face. Going back with Carve, applied all over the eyes, winged out, and then taking Thorn across the lash line, and smoking it out and underneath, and on the inner corner, taking my intra pencil in the waterline. And with my Beautopsy palette, I'm taking the two browns and buffing that over the cream work, intensifying with the black shade, taking a cream color to blend the edges, and soften with the medium brown. Lining the eyes and the lower lash line with Thorn. And for blush, I'm going to take my color fluid in Heartist for a beautiful flush, and lining her lips with my Thorn shade. This creates a beautiful butch-proof liner. Filling that in with Heartist, a beautiful rose shade, and going over the liner. Adding a touch of body glow and cream highlighter on the face. Then finishing off with a touch of gloss. And that completes my sultry, smoky look on Laura. Enjoy.